Dear students, today we are going to start new topic, that is radioactivity. Let's see some general points about radioactivity. First, radioactivity was discovered by Becquerel from uranium. Second, the process of self-spontaneous disintegration or decay of unstable radioactive nuclei is called radioactivity to form stable nuclei. Such substances are called radioactive substances. For example, uranium, thorium, polonium, plutonium, actinium, etc. Fourth, it is a self-activated process, that is, rate of radioactivity cannot be influenced by any physical or chemical change, pressure, volume, temperature change or artificial means. Fifth, radioactivity is a nuclear phenomenon, not atomic. In nuclear phenomenon, energy liberated is of the order of mega electron volt, while in chemical reaction it is only few electron volt. So the process of radioactivity is nothing to do with the electronic configuration of atom. Sixth, the event of radioactivity is spontaneous, that is, it cannot be said which atom will disintegrate first and which will disintegrate last. 7. Radioactivity obeys the laws of probability and is a statistical process. 8. When radioactive disintegration takes place, number of nuclei and mass of substance reduces and daughter nuclei are formed. Always remember that in the process of radioactivity, total number of nuclei always remains constant. It is only the parent nuclei whose number decreases with increase of time. 9th, radioactive disintegration continues till the formation of nearest stable radioactive atom called lead. Z equal to 82, 82 lead 206, 92 uranium 238 leading to 90 thorium 234 plus 2 He4, 90 thorium 234 leading to 91 proactinium 234 plus minus 1 beta 0 plus nu bar antineutrino whose rest mass and charge is 0. 10. Whenever radioactive substance disintegrates, either alpha or beta particle is emitted, never both at a time, and gamma rays are emitted. After that, when excited nucleus makes transition from higher state to lower or ground state to regain stability. Remember, here proton is not emitted from nucleus. 11. Alpha particle are double ionized helium nuclei, while beta particles are electrons. 12. Deflection in electric field. Alpha particle deflect towards negative plate, beta particle deflect towards positive plate, and gamma rays do not deflect, which indicates that gamma ray are electromagnetic waves. Since beta particles are deflected more, so they are lighter than alpha particle. Gamma rays are not deflected in electric and magnetic field, they are electromagnetic waves. In the given figure, deflection in magnetic field is shown for alpha particle and beta particle in point 13. Now let's see Rutherford and Soddy exponential law of radioactivity, law for radioactive decay. First, at any time, rate of decay of radioactive nuclei is directly proportional to number of active nuclei atoms present at that time. Second, if n equal to number of atoms at time t and n minus dn equal to number of active atoms present at time t plus dt, so rate of decay equal to minus dn upon dt or minus dn upon dt proportional n, or dn upon dt equal to or minus dn upon dt equal to lambda n, where lambda equal to constant which is called decay constant.